Well, here we are again. Got to change the oil. I think I'm over 3,000. No filter, just the oil. So let's take a look, see how many miles we got on it. 4,196. So it's go time. So let's get her changed. Go for a spin. It's a nice night. It's a 17mm socket. Not much for shavings. And the magnet. We'll get a rag and take a look. Well, no. Just little stuff. It's alright. Got it cleaned back up. Alright. Suzuki says what? Getting about 47, 48 miles a gallon. Ride it every day, rain or shine. So, wish gas mileage was a little better, but I'm comfortable on this bike. I guess I could deal with it. Got the handlebars changed. The other ones were bent up pretty good. Drove me nuts. So, got them changed and really enjoy the bike. So let's change the oil and go for a ride.